Good.
A.
Okay, so Teacher Angel is gonna be your, Teacher Angel's gonna be your teacher for the remaining days, okay? Hi! Okay, kasi si Teacher Bell's gonna be busy lately, okay? So that's why, nag-stop ako kay Teacher Bell for the next 2 meetings. Okay, we have the painting and the self-portrait class. Okay? Yes, Ate Astrid?
Teacher, today is my birthday.
Wow! Okay, happy birthday, Ate Astrid. Okay,
Happy birthday.
mag-search tayo ng happy birthday song. Wait lang. Let's sing Ate Astrid the happy
Pimples? What's
birthday.
erupting outside may be caused by bacteria inside the skin. Try Lactazid with lactoferrin, zinc, and vitamin E. Helps lessen pimples by up to 94%.
For clearer, smoother skin.
With Lactazid, the pimple expert.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Okay, happy birthday, Ate Astrid! Okay, how old are you today, Ate Astrid?
9 years old na po.
Okay, you're now 9 years old. Wow, happy birthday, Ate Astrid. May you have a year full of blessings and full of improvement for yourself. Okay? Okay, so your classmates also greeted you some happy birthday. Okay, so here's some cake for you, pero virtual lang. Happy birthday, Ate! Okay, so now that we've greet Ate Astrid a happy birthday, let's now go to our class, okay? Okay. Okay, so for today, we will be learning how to paint. Okay, so for the last lesson, may assignment ba na binigay si Teacher Bell? Did Teacher Bell give you an assignment for the silhouette art? Yes, Kuya David?
Oh.
May binigay? Walang binigay si teacher. Okay. Okay, so let's now continue to the art of painting. Okay, so what is painting? Who wants to read the following? Yes, Ate Hailey?
Painting is the practice of applying paint, pigment, color, or other medium to a solid surface. called the matrix or supports. The medium is commonly applied to the base with a brush, while other implements, such as knives, sponge, and airbrushes, can be used in art. The term painting describes both the act and the results of action.
Okay, thanks, ate. So, painting daw, when we, sorry, wait. Oh, it's okay, it's okay. Kaka-start pa lang din namin, Ate Leila. Kanina, nag-greet lang kami ng happy birthday kay Ate Astrid, okay? Because today is Ate Astrid's 9th birthday. Okay? So, painting daw, when you use a paintbrush, when you paint something on the canvas, on your paper, on the walls, it's called painting. The action itself. Pagkatapos naman yung actual art, it is still called a painting. Okay? Okay, so here are some tips in watercolor painting. Okay, everybody, before we start, get your materials ready. Okay. Patingin si teacher ng watercolor palette nyo. Okay, very good. What about your glass of water? A glass or a cup of water? Okay, parang si Ate Astrid kumukuha pa siya ng gamit. Okay, what about your paintbrush and your paper? Kuya Marcos, wala kang painting or watercolor? Okay, yung gagamitin natin ngayon, Kuya Marcos, is painting. So, if you don't have the materials, pwede din namang mag-observe ka lang at mag-listen ka lang sa paano gawin yung activities, okay? Okay, kasi kahapon lang yun na-send ni teacher, kasi kahapon lang din na-add sa group chat si Teacher Angel. Okay? Okay, you can do the output later na lang when you have the materials, okay? Okay, what's the first tip that we have here? Who wants to read? Yes, Ate Astrid?
In watercolor painting, it's recommended to add light colors first and gradually introduce darker tones. This is because of the translucent nature of watercolors. Paints if you add darker paints first, you can't make them lighter. This is the complete opposite of acrylic painting, where you typically work from dark to light.
Okay, thank you, Ate. Okay, so here our first tip is to work from light to dark daw. Okay, but another tip from that when you're using your paintbrush in your palette, okay, everybody put your paintbrush in the air. Isang paintbrush lang, isang paintbrush lang. Just one paintbrush. And then dip it in the water. Okay, dip in the water. And then, before nyo ilagay sa watercolor palette nyo, dab it in a tissue, paper, or in a cloth. Okay, para hindi siya tumutulo yung tubig, okay? Dab it lang, okay? Once again, put your paintbrush in the water. Dump it in the tissue and then put it in your watercolor palette para hindi siya gaanong basa. Okay? It's wet, but hindi tumutulo yung tubig sa kanya. Okay? Okay, at Tienza, you can use poster paint, but you will not be using ano na lang, water, okay? Okay, so now let's try if totoo ba tong work from dark to light. So from dark to light, so ibig sabihin yan, if light to dark, so ibig sabihin, mag-uuna tayong gagawa ng light. So try natin red and yellow. So if light to dark, dapat yellow na square. Okay, parang sa scratch, pwede nyo sa ano lang, sa other paper nyo to gawin, okay? Ibig sabihin, unahin natin yung light, which is yung yellow. Pero, pag ito yung gagawin natin, yung dark to light, ibig sabihin, hindi siya gagana. Okay, so let's try kung totoo ba tong work from light to dark. Okay, in your paper, make 2 squares. Maliliit lang talaga na square. Okay, just like what teacher did. Tapos, yung first square is red, and yellow, and yung second square is red. Tapos, lagyan ng red and yellow on the center. Just like this one. Tignan natin if hindi ba gagana itong, so this one, this is light to dark. Kasi yellow yan siya, light ang yellow eh. So that is the light to dark. Now this one, this is dark to light. So in theory, dapat hindi daw yan siya gagana. Tingnan natin kung gagana ba o hindi. The teacher will give you 3 minutes for that. Just a small square and a small circle on the center, okay? Okay, patingin nga si teacher. Okay, patingin si teacher ng yellow and, okay. Okay, very good. Okay, sa yellow and red, you can see the red in there, okay? What about the red and the dark to light? Nakikita nyo pa ba yung yellow or hindi? Okay, hindi na siya masyado nakikita. Nagbe-blend siya sa color red. Instead of being color yellow, nagiging what color siya? Nagiging orange. Okay? Kasi, watercolors are, as stated in here, watercolors are, watercolors are translucent. Okay, this word. So, ibig sabihin, yung color na nasa ilalim, makikita mo pa din pag nilagyan mo ng another color on top. Okay? Okay, so another one we have is, don't add too much water. Okay, di ba yung sabi ni teacher kanina, paano nga paano tayo mag-dip? So, dip it in the water. Dab it in the tissue or the cloth first. And then, back to our watercolor palette. Okay? So, kasi, if basang-basa yung paintbrush nyo, if tumutulo na siya, a lot of times, your paper will buckle and bend. It will become out of shape and then, madali lang din siyang mapupunit. Okay? If your paper is too basa na. So, that's why, idadump muna natin sa tissue paper and sa ating cloth. Okay? Okay, next tip we have is don't use every color in your palette. So, finding harmony in your colors is an important part of watercolor painting. It can be tempting to use lots of colors, but opting for a limited palette can often be much more effective. Okay, so ibig sabihin daw, hindi lahat, not all. Okay, ilan ba yung colors sa watercolor painting nyo? How many colors is that? Okay, we have 12 here. Okay, some are 16. Okay.
16.
Okay, 16. Okay, so hindi natin yan gagamitin lahat. Kasi pag gagamitin natin yan siya lahat, pero hindi naman siya synchronized sa theme natin, magiging masyadong masyadong colorful. Pero depende din yun sa theme nyo, okay? If yung theme nyo colorful, okay lang din naman. Okay, here we have some sample paintings in here. Do you recognize any of this? Okay, yes, Ate Astrid. What painting do you recognize?
Yung Mona Lisa po.
Okay, Mona Lisa. What about Tieza? Ate Tieza?
The Mona Lisa also.
Okay, this is the Mona Lisa also. What about Ate Aliyah?
I recognize the stars and moon.
Okay, what's that called? Okay, this one, the stars and moon, that is called as the Starry Night. Okay, what about Ate Zane?
I recognize the Mona Lisa and the Starry Night.
Okay, the Mona Lisa and the Starry Night.
Me
Okay,
too.
what about Kuya? Itong Google Meet na Angeli Maris. What do you recognize, Kuya?
Picture.
What?
The picture that has a man screaming.
Ano, Kuya? Ano?
The man that is doing this.
Okay, what's that called? What painting is that? Okay, this one is called the screen. Okay, what about Ate Hailey? Open your microphone, Ate Hailey.
The Staring Moon po.
Okay, the Starry Night pa din. Okay, what else? Yes, Ate Layla.
The Girl with Pearl Earrings by Johannes Venner.
Wow, the girl with pearl earrings. Alam pa ni ate ano yung artist name. How about this one? That one is called The Great Wave. Okay, what about this? This is Mona Lisa, right? What about this one? What's that? The one on the left. That is? Ano yan? You may open your microphone if you know the answer.
I think it is Jesus having his last supper.
Okay, very good. This is the Last Supper. Okay, so now for your activity, so get your paintbrush and your paper. So for the first activity, so you can do an abstract painting, okay? Whatever color you like. Parang ano lang, half of your paper lang, okay? Half of your paper lang. You just make a small rectangle or square in your paper. Okay? And you're gonna replicate this. Okay? Okay, so for this activity, you can use any color you want because the goal of this activity is not exactly to copy the illustration, but for you to know and understand what is watercolor. Okay? Para makita nyo lang sa mga palette nyo, ay, ganito palang color pag maraming tubig. Ay, ganito palang color pag maliit lang yung tubig. Okay, oh, this is what happens when I mix yellow and red. Oh, this is what happens when I mix green and blue. Okay? Are you ready? Okay. So, you may copy it. So, for this activity, kayo muna magagawa, okay? So, for the next activity, teacher will guide you on what to do. Okay? Okay, if you have any questions, click the raise hand button or chat here in our messages. Okay? Teacher will give you 15 minutes for this activity. Okay? Maliit lang yung gawin nyo dito para lang malaman nyo ano yung kulay blue sa inyo. How dark is the color blue in your palette? How vibrant is your color pink? Okay? Kuya David, do you have your watercolor? Kuya David? Kuya David ko? Kuya, do you have your watercolor?
Yes.
Okay, you may start the activity now, Kuya. Okay, again, if you have any questions, you can just click the raise hand button or message it here in our in-call chats. Okay? Yes, Kuya Lucas?
Any color lang ba, teacher?
Yes, you can use any color. Actually, if you have, how many colors does your palette have? Kuya Lucas? Kuya Lucas.
18.
Okay, you have 18. So you can try as much color as you want. Kasi in this activity, para lang man matry mo lang yung watercolor, okay? Para
Okay.
malaman mo gaano ka-dark yung blue mo, gaano ka-bright yung orange, stuff like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Ay, nato. Ay, nato lang. Magas ng pansin. Mabalik ko na pinili ako nila. Maglaki lang pa rin. Lakaw sa nila. Ito sa kuan kung taas pa. Yang nakalagay sa screen, Ate Leila. Ina naman ito mag-ibon. Ano yun? Ito na ang yung It's okay, Ate Leila. Kahit yung nakalagay sa, Ate Leila, yung nakalagay sa presentation ni teacher, but you can use any of the color that you want, okay? So, yung nakalagay sa kanina, sa tips is not use all the color, but ngayon kasi yung activity na to kasi is, it's not yet an artwork activity. It's not an art piece. Okay? It's a practice activity. So, for this activity, you can try out as many color as you want. Okay? Pila ang nabayaran sa duha ka 80? Diba, 86 pa na isa ka 20s. Oh. Pag na ay discount na ako, nanalang mo na sa mga 20 yung bata. Oh. Siyempre, sila. Hmm. 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 Okay. Sarap lang ito. Nag-ingat ka po. Hmm. Hmm. Right. Huwag mo lang basin ako nito. Paligid mo daan. Okay. Okay, 5 more minutes. So remember the tips the teacher told you? Huwag maraming water, okay? Tingnan ka, please. Tayo sa tuwan. Isang kumain pa mo ba? Ano ba yun? Namu, di ka matis. Tapos makatawag sila kamatis. Yes, Ate Octavia?
Malapit na po ako matapos.
Sa namin ko ng English. Ha? Ha? Hindi ang ilang page. Yes, Kuya Lucas?
I'm done.
Okay, very good. Okay. So what about the others? Are you done?
Oh,
Okay, not yet pa daw. Okay. Teacher will give you last 9 minutes. Okay? So, para pagka 10 a.m., all of you should be done. Okay? Yes, Ate Octavia?
I'm done na po.
Okay. Kuya Lucas and Ate Octavia, can I see your drawings? Your paintings, rather. Okay, very good. What about Kuya Lucas? Okay, very good. Okay, so if you're done, we'll just wait for your other classmates until 10 a.m., okay? Very good. Okay, wait lang natin yung others. Yes, Ate Zane?
I'm done.
Okay, very good. So if you're done, hintayin lang natin yung classmates yung matapos, okay? Yes, Kuya?
Can we use our own colors on the flower?
Ano, Kuya?
Can we use our own colors on the flower?
Yes, Kuya, sure.
Thank you.
Yes, Ate Tiesa?
Same done.
Okay, very good. Okay, 4 more minutes. Yes, Ate Astrid?
Tapos na po ako.
Okay, very good. Yes, Ate Aliyah?
I'm done too.
Okay, very good. Okay, Ate Leila, another account is signing in. Is this your other account? Pagpapalit ka ba ng Google account? Okay. Okay, 2 more minutes, guys. Okay. Pakita na si teacher ng works nyo. Okay? And let's also take a picture. Okay, let me see your works. Okay, open your cameras now. Patingin si teacher. Wow, very good. Kuya David, Kuya Lucas, Ate Leila, Ate Abby, Annie, Fred na Google account. Okay, you don't have a camera. Okay, you can just send it later na lang, okay? What about Kuya David? Okay. Ate Leila, patingin. Okay. Okay, Abby Iscano, can you please open your camera again? Para ma-take ng picture ni teacher. Okay, Ate Leila, ipakita mo yung work mo sa camera. Okay. 1. Okay, everybody. 1, 2, 3. Smile! Okay, one more. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Okay, wow. Very good. Okay, so now, let's have break time muna, okay? So before we proceed to our next activity, let's have a short break time. Okay, our break time will be until 10 a.m., okay? So while we are on break time, you may talk to your classmates about your snacks and other stuff here in our messages, as long as no curse words, no bullying, and no spamming, okay? Wow, I sound like Ate Leila's mom's friend daw. Yes, you're allowed to watch while you're eating. Okay, wag mag-spam, okay? Hindi mag-spam ng random letters. Racism is also not good. Okay, it's now time. Okay. Okay, everybody, can you ligpit your snacks now? Okay, ligpit nyo na snacks nyo, okay? And we'll now go back to our class. Okay? Okay, so for our Okay, Ate Astrid here has has a question. Okay, so you know what? The real answer to that, Ate Astrid, is orange is a tree. Okay? And then orange, yung tree ng orange is, it has a fruit, right? And then yung fruit ng orange is the orange tree, yung fruit nun is yung circle na color orange. So that's why tinawag na lang din nilang orange yun and also the color orange. Okay? Pero yung orange talaga is the tree. Okay? So, yung puno talaga ang unang may pangalan ng tree and then in-associate na nila yung color and fruit doon. Okay? Okay, so let's now, okay, enough of the orange question and let's go back to our class now, okay? Okay, so let's have this activity. So, we will be making a silhouette painting, okay? So, teacher's gonna join in another account. Okay, get your materials now, okay? So, it's not hard. Teacher will teach you how to do it step by step. It's definitely not hard. Okay, get your paintbrush and your materials ready now, okay? Okay, so for today, we will be doing this silhouette painting. Okay, are you excited? Okay, very good. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is, okay, we will be making a horizon. Yes, teacher has Eva's paint. It's not gonna be hard. Okay, you just follow teacher's instructions, okay? Okay, so let's now stop typing. Okay, first, let's add, okay, use pencil muna for this one. Okay, use a pencil for this one. Portrait. Our orientation is portrait. Ate Alia, our orientation is gonna be portrait, not landscape. Okay, take a look at teacher. Okay, kita niyo yung camera? This is landscape. This one is portrait. Okay, pag ganito tayo, pag ganito. Very good, Kuya Lucas. Ate Alia, pag ganito. Okay, pag ganyan. Very good. Okay, very good. Okay, now make a horizon. Okay, after the horizon, you're also gonna put in a pencil. Asan? Pencil lang ha, pencil. Ate Aliyah, we're not yet painting. Pencil muna, pencil. Okay, pencil muna with the circle and the horizon. Ate Aliyah? Ate Aliyah? Okay. So you use that with a pencil and then write, also draw a circle. Okay, for the sun. Okay, very good. So after that, we will now be putting the color red sa taas. Okay? 1/3 of the partition sa taas na part should be color red. Yes, Kuya David?
Teacher, we're gonna color.
Yes, we're gonna be using watercolor now. Pero wag niyong i-color kasama yung sun, ha? Okay, you paint around the sun. Wag isali yung sun. Okay, you can use a bigger brush para mas malaki yung makulayan nyo. Okay, so after the color red, we're now gonna proceed to what colors next? Color orange. Okay? Still, hindi pa din ikukulay yung ating sun. Just leave the sun. Okay, mamaya na mag-chat. Guys, focus muna kayo sa painting nyo, okay? Okay, what do you think is the next color after the orange? Okay, it is color yellow. Okay, so lalagyan na natin ng yellow. Okay, so after the yellow, we're now gonna add. Okay, on top of the yellow, we're gonna put some streaks of color orange. Okay, so kita nyo yun. So what you're gonna do is, on top of the color yellow, put streaks of orange. On top of the color orange and red, put streaks of yellow. So, paano mag-blend ng watercolor, Teacher Angel? So, para mag-blend, you just dip your watercolor paintbrush, in the water, and then put it directly onto your paper. Okay? Wala siyang paint, tubig lang, and then i-mix mo sa paper mo. Okay? Okay, so after tayo sa sunset na part, ano naman yung sa baba? Ano yung sa my boat? That is the ocean. So what are we gonna color? What are we gonna color at Octavia?
Dark blue.
Very good. So, but instead of starting with dark blue, we will start with, ano nga yun? Light to dark. So, start tayo sa light blue or sky blue. And then later on, lalagyan natin siya ng dark blue. Okay? Okay, so just like this one. Tapos mamaya lalagyan ng dark blue. Yes, at Octavia?
Naubusan na po ako ng light blue.
Okay, so if you only have one shade of blue, yung one shade of blue na lang yung gamitin. Okay? Yes, Kuya Lucas?
Ano pa ba yung blue? Kailangan ba yung buo o hindi?
The remaining part should be all blue. Sa baba.
Okay.
Okay, very good at Octavia. Okay, and then the last step is to add the silhouette of a mountain. Okay, lagyan natin. What's the color of the silhouette? It's color black. Very good. So now you're gonna add the silhouette of a mountain and then erasen nyo din yung outline ng sun. That's it. We now have our painting of a sunset. Okay, teacher's gonna give you 7 minutes to finish your masterpiece. Okay, after you're done with the silhouette of the mountain, pwede nyo din yung dagdagan ng silhouette of a bird or maybe a boat. Okay, very good, Ate Hailey. Tapos na si Ate Hailey sa sa mountains. Very good. Okay, you have 5 more minutes to add the other details that you want in your painting. Yes, Ate Astrid, you still have 5 minutes to finish it, okay? Okay, let me see Ate Octavia. Wow, very good. Okay, it's okay, Ate Ari. You do it now, okay? You add the ocean now. Okay? Pagkatapos ng ocean, sa mountain silhouette naman tayo kaagad. Yes, Kuya David?
I'm done.
Si Kuya. Okay, wow, very good. You also added some birds. Very good. Okay, pag magpipicture tayo mamaya, turn off mo muna yung background mo, Kuya David, okay? Para makita yung painting mo, okay?
Yung background.
Hindi ko alam pa ang ibalik.
Ikaw alam mo, Charlie?
Yes, Ate.
Yung likod background.
Yes, Ate Hailey.
I'm done po.
Okay, let me see.
Alam mo na?
Wow, very good.
Hindi ko po paano.
Okay, yung background, Kuya. Okay, i-hover mo yung... Okay, what are you using, Kuya David? Are you using a laptop or a tablet?
Tablet.
Okay, a tablet.
iPad.
Okay, so parang... wait lang. Okay, i-click mo yung 3 lines, 3 dots sa icon mo. Di ba may square? Tapos yung
Yes.
icon mo.
Yes.
I-click mo yung... Okay, mayroon ba dong parang visual effect? Yung parang naka-diamond na sign? Or wala? Yes, Kuya Lucas?
I'm done.
Let me see.
Ganda ng drawing ko, diba? Yeah. Ito lang yung...
Wow, very good. Okay, yes, Ate Tiaza, let me see about your drawing as well.
Ayun!
Blur.
Okay, wow, very good.
Ayan.
Okay.
Out mo na.
Wag mo din i-apply yung okay. Okay na, Kuya. Yes, Ate Leila. Okay, the sun. You just erase the outline of the sun.
Hindi kita. Ang ganda ng gamit. Pag-ibig ka.
Dapat maliit lang yung bird mo. Ang laki-laki, parang maniki.
Uy, manig kayo! Dod. Paniki. Tignan mo. Parang paniki.
No?
Okay, Ate Alia, are you on the mountains now?
Charlie, manananggal.
Okay, very good. So after you're done, we're gonna take a picture, okay?
Dami sa ko. Susi mo.
Yes, Ate Tiaza, do you have a question?
Huwag, sayang yan. Uwiin mo. Uwiin mo.
Okay, what about Ate Astrid?
Teacher, hindi po ako tapos sa
Sa ocean? Let me see. Okay, so tapusin mo muna yung ocean. Pagkatapos, magpunta ka na sa mountains, okay?
Gusto niyo pansit? Sorry.
Hindi po available.
Okay, so 4 more minutes, Ate Astrid. Okay, just like what Kuya David is using. Oh, Kuya David is using a big brush. Okay, so if malaki yung ipipainta natin, it's much better to use a bigger brush. Okay? Okay, so kung ano na lang yung pinakamalaking brush mo, yan na lang yung gamitin. Okay, very good, Ate Aliyah. Patingin si teacher. Okay, wow, very good. Okay, hintayin na lang natin si Ate Astrid. 2 minutes, Ate Astrid. Yes, Ate Zane?
I'm already done.
Okay, let me see. Wow, very good. So you also added some reflection of the mountains. Very good, Ate Zane.
My palette is destroyed.
Okay, let's now take a picture. Okay, everybody. Okay, show your artworks. Okay, Kuya David, open your camera, Kuya David. Let's now take a picture. Okay, Angeli Maris. Okay, Kuya Marcos Inigo. Okay. Okay, patingin ang artworks nyo. Okay, Angeli Maris, can you open your camera? Okay, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, smile. Okay, very good. Okay, don't forget to send your outputs in our group chat, okay? Okay, very good, everybody. So, for your assignment, paint anything you want using watercolor to practice your painting. Okay? And that's it for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed our class today. See you next time.
Bye.
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 Bye. Okay, there you go. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, girl.
Bye-bye.